Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a really easy fall look. So I'm taking this brown from ABH and I'm putting it in the crease. Then I'm taking orange soda and I'm blending it on top of the brown. And I'm just putting a little bit of concealer where I'm going to put the glitter. And then patting the brown that I put on the crease on top of that so it looks blended. And I'm just adding a little bit of black on the outer corner, starting at the bottom and kind of going a little bit towards the middle and then dragging up towards the outer corner. And I did that twice on each side. And then cleaning it up. You don't have to do this part, but I like to make it look really sharp. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.